Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, Shiba Inu reaches this new milestone amid price declines according to Shiba Inu, a Shiba Inu community-focused Twitter account. Shiba Inu has surpassed 1 million holders. Shiba Inu family, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth Shiba, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. Shiba Inu's holder count continues to grow despite the recent price drop. According to Whale Stats, the SHIB holder count has grown to reach a new high of 1 million at press time. The recent increment suggests a growing community, which remains a healthy sign. Although the growth in holders might not necessarily impact the price in the near term, it may indicate interest in a token in the long term. At current prices, Shiba Inu remains down 89% from the all-time high of 0.88 reached in October 2021. Per on-chain analytics company Sentiment, most crypto assets have reached historic MVRV levels, or pain, thresholds in their trading returns. It notes that, typically, this is where a price turnaround to alleviate current losses may be anticipated, although it is difficult to predict when this will occur. The recent drop in price does not seem to deter Shiba Inu's large investors from accumulating at a discount, as SHIB now makes up the biggest chunk of their holdings. Shiba Inu, now largest holding of top 100 whales. Shiba Inu has risen to be the largest holding for the top 100 ETH whales, flipping stablecoin USDC. These top whales now own $512 million worth of SHIB, which comprises 16.24% of their holdings. According to the Shiba Inu Twitter handle, over 155 million SHIB tokens have been burned since the previous day, and 23 transactions have been made. At the time of publication, this figure had grown to 212 million SHIB, with the burn rate demonstrating an increase of 97.68%, as seen on the Shiba Inu website. SHIB saw a significant decline on June 18 and reached a low of 0.71. On June 26, prices rose to a high of 0.12. But SHIB was unable to keep up with the bearish activity on the market. Shiba Inu's price is marginally down at a present price of 0.9 as the cryptocurrency market is still being shaken by considerable selling pressure. Shiba Inu ate up 6 zeros after its decimal point and delivered a peak intra-year gain of around 121 million%. In other words, an investment of $1 at midnight on January 1, 2021 could have made a patient, lucky investor a millionaire. When the curtain closed on 2021, SHIB tokens gained in the neighborhood of 46 million%. It's a far cry from 121 million%, but it's likely the biggest single-year gain we may ever witness from an investment perspective. As I've previously pointed out, Shiba Inu's historic run was primarily a function of increased visibility in crypto market dynamics. In terms of the former, SHIB benefited immensely from being listed on numerous new exchanges last year. Additionally, the launch of decentralized exchange ShibaSwap in July 2021 helped to improve liquidity and allowed holders to stake their coins. Since October, the median hold period of SHIB on crypto exchange Coinbase has soared from 6 days to 101 days. As for crypto market dynamics, investors should understand that it's a lot easier to purchase derivatives, e.g., put options, on, or short sell, a publicly traded stock than it is to bet against a high-flying but lesser-known digital currency. With minimal avenues to bet against cryptocurrencies not named Bitcoin, an inherent buy bias helped Shiba Inu. Can Shiba Inu hit $1 by mid-decade? With Shiba Inu absolutely crushing it last year, its holders and social media supporters are hoping for an encore performance. In fact, some even believe it could eventually make a run to $1 per token. The big question is, can Shiba Inu reach $1, perhaps by the midpoint of the decade? Before I dive into my view, let's examine the multiple catalysts that would be needed to push SHIB from microscopic fractions of a penny to parity with the US dollar by 2025. To begin with, the public launch of Layer 2 blockchain solution Shibarium needs to occur sooner than later and go off without a hitch. The purpose of Shibarium is to significantly drive down transaction fees involving SHIB tokens. Pushing fees lower will not only make SHIB a more attractive payment option for merchants, but it's also the key step to fueling blockchain-based gaming. At the moment, Shibarium is being tested privately. The next core catalyst is the development and launch of non-fungible token, NFT-based gaming. Although we've already witnessed a handful of blockchain-based games generating significant revenue, Shiba Inu can't launch gaming until Shibarium can be trusted to substantially bring down transaction fees. Once Shibarium is publicly launched, NFT marketplaces can thrive. To add to this point, Shiba Inu's own version of the metaverse needs to be a hit. The metaverse is viewed as the next iteration of the internet, which will allow connected users to interact with each other and their surroundings in 3D virtual worlds. Developers recently announced their intention to sell digital plots of land, known as Shiba lands, in Shiba Inu's own version of the metaverse. Once again, this is all dependent on slashing transaction fees. Finally, there would need to be some significant coin burn. When Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin sent more than 410 trillion SHIB to a dead blockchain address, it removed approximately 41% of Shiba Inu's circulating supply. Large chunks of coins will need to be taken out of circulation over the next 4 years to really give SHIB some upward momentum. Being sent to the doghouse is more likely than $1 by 2025. If the cryptocurrency space has demonstrated anything, it's that nothing is impossible. But the chance of Shiba Inu hitting $1 by 2025 is so microscopically small in my view that I'd call it virtually impossible. For starters, a $1 target on SHIB would produce a laughably high market value of $549 trillion, based on Shiba Inu's roughly 549 trillion outstanding tokens. That would be equivalent to 203 times the market value of Apple, a company that produced $112.2 billion in operating income over the trailing 12 months. It would also be a valuation of close to 6 times global gross domestic product. Not even in the wildest of wild scenarios can I see a digital token being worth 6 times the total market value of all goods and services on the planet in a given year. To build on this idea, Shiba Inu's benefit from coin burn is largely in the rearview mirror. Even with some businesses burning a small portion of the SHIB they receive, and future events promising to reduce the circulating supply, a massive amount of coins are still in circulating supply. This makes reaching $1, or even 1 cent for that matter, pretty much impossible. Another problem Shiba Inu will run into is its lack of differentiation and competitive advantages. Although it's popular on social media, the reality is it's nothing more than an ERC20 token built on the Ethereum blockchain. Or, in English, it's just a payment coin. There's nothing particularly impressive about a payment coin. The vast majority of digital currencies can act as a payment token. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.